Concept Line is a family-run furniture manufacturer operating both on domestic and international markets. We are involved in demanding commercial and residential projects, trying to respond to even the most challenging requests. As a team of 16, we are producing a premium quality furniture, and almost 90% of our production is custom-made. Our production uses professional machines, but we still have a lot of manual work. It means that the final processing of the product is not always completely uniform, as it highly depends on the human skills and accuracy in work. On the other side, it is very hard to find skilled workers for material sanding.
Vision Equipment is a high technological company specialized in robotics applications and development of machine vision systems. It is a part of a group of companies with a large base of know-how in various fields of industrial automation. Each company has a specific skills which together allows the group to deal with a wide range of application fields. Agile or Robotized processing is a robotic sanding system which autonomously estimates the processing path of a wooden part. It can process parts of different shapes and can be easily adaptable to other parts such as spraying. The process begins when the worker enters the necessary information about the material. He actually chooses the recipe and places the part in the start position and then activates the process. PC collects information about the recipe from the user and provides communication with the PLC, which then manages the delivery of the object on the sanding position with conveyor belt. After the object is being positioned, PC acquires the image from the camera, and after processing, with the help of the ROS-UP software, it generates a trajectory that will be sent to the robot for processing. In addition to the trajectory it needs to perform, the robot also receives information from the recipe about the target force, RPM, and speed. By monitoring the value from the sensor in real time, the robot performs movement correction in relation to the surface, and with information from the recipe, controls the automatic orbital sander. Our software solution is based on new reusable component, the ROS-UP, called TrackGen, and the Fiverr ecosystem. When the part has been detected by the vision system inside the robot processing area, a point cloud is generated and forwarded by the Orion context broker to our reusable component. TrackGen estimates the path of the robot and forwards it through the context broker to our application. The context broker also allows the logging of the operation and enables visualization of the statistics on the Apache Superset dashboard on the Raben platform with the help of the Orion that collects data produced by software and hardware components.
Thanks to ROS-UP and this system, we have achieved a constancy of quality and uniformity of the material surface, which guarantees more expected results. This will boost our commercial possibilities and give us opportunity to finally consider starting a serial production. Also, we have removed the operator from a wood sanding zone and made our working place safer.